Akiaria handu-ini ha ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, Edward Serema augite thina uyu wa atumia na ciana gukua ni wambatirite na njira nene na ubatie gutangikirwo na ihenya utoria kwahotekeka, kuona o mwaka atumia 5,000 na ciana 30,000 ni makuaga kumana na thina uyu.
5,000 women dying every year and 30,000 newborns dying every year. Is that our data? That is one question which I want to pose as I make my statement. Where are we in our data?
Nake murugamiriri munene wa kiama kia mandagitari a guthurima mathina ma atumia Ann Kihara oritie thirikari kwongerera kigina mathibitari-ini niguo kugacirithia motungata ma atumia, na ho akoria mandagitari kugia na ngwataniro njega na atumia aya niguo makahota kumenya mathina maria maramagia na niguo guthaitira mwana na mutumia uyu.
But this education is a fundamental basic. Mama, when you come to the hospital and you're coming for your antenatal care, you must have your blood pressure checked. You must have your urine checked. You must be palpated on your abdomen to see how the baby is doing. You must come up with a decision between you and the clinician on your course of management.
Nao atongoria a ndini ni maikiirio ihoya gutigirira ni matambia umenyo wa bata wa muingi na andu kiumbe gwikirira ugima wa mwiri wa atumia aritu na ciana iria makuite niguo kunyihia ikuũ ici.
If we can have a declaration, and on this I can put my word to it, and can convince these religious leaders that for the next 3 months we make a decision that in our sermons we talk about maternal, newborn, child, adolescent health. I don't think there's any other platform that we can actually use better than that for us to achieve what we need to achieve.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Muthoni wa Wanyeki.